Alright guys, welcome again to this channel. Yeah, I just want to show you the pattern book. Yes, pattern book. How to enter a trade and the kind of pattern to look at when you are entering a trade. This is a pattern book. I'll be sliding through some pictures to show you how those patterns are formed and how you can use them to your advantage too. Then now, as you can see here, we have Euro USD. You can see a white fractals. You see the first fractal. Then we have a green to the downside, then the white to the upside. That is what M. You see the wick forming. The wick is forming. Now that is the M, double top. I know some people have heard of double top, double bottom, head and shoulder, but this is the pattern that I use to win always. If you join the group, you can go to circuit too. We really had a loss. We really had a loss. I can say in the last 1 month or so, over a long time now, we've not had many loss. Many loss. Maybe one or twice in a month. It happens because there is no 105% accuracy. But me and my strategy, I still believe so much in it. Out of 105%, I used to tell them in the group, I say, out of 105%, I'm 100% accurate. And they can see, they know we have 100% accuracy, because most times, instead of us to have a loss, we had break-evens. We can have as many break-evens though, but to have a loss, very rare. Very rare. But still, many people still lose money. And no way you can be a trader and you don't want to lose money. So now let's go to the next page. I want you to study the pattern as it moves. Now, on 1 hour time frame, yes, if you have checked some of my videos, you notice that we enter our trade on 1 hour time frame, and the accuracy is so powerful. You can join the Telegram group. It's on the link there. You can see it, then you can join. Then as you can see, it's forming. We have the first hit the golden line. That is our top resistance line. As you can see how it formed another bearish pattern. Don't mind my bearish pattern being a green and my bullish pattern being a white, so it just happened like that. Yeah, so now as you see, as it forms, we move to the next one, because I won't make this video very long. I want it to be a short one so that we can quickly learn. Is a pattern book. I call it the pattern book. So now you see, when we have this bearish green candle close, the next candle we enter for a sell. And what happened thereafter? It was a profit. So, and that is that for the M pattern. If you want to sell, always look for this pattern on any time frame, especially on 1 hour time frame. That's going to be the best time frame to get it, guys. So now let's look at another pattern from the book. Yes, we see how it's moving. Okay, now I'm going to explain something from here. There's something that actually happened here, because I used to tell guys that when you want to get an entry, we are looking for M pattern at our resistance line. But something actually happened here, because I used to tell them when the first fractals form, then the second touch and the bearish candle close on 1 hour is going to give us our entry, which means it's either we want to buy or we want to sell. Now here we have the first fractals that formed. Then we are expecting a bearish close, but something happened. We have a break, the white candle break above our resistance, which make the what? The sell invalid. So we are buying. Here we'll be looking for a buy. Whenever you have a break and close on the 1 hour time frame above your resistance line, it means you look for buy. No matter what, look for buy. Except you have a break and close below the support or resistance again. That is when you look for the other way around to enter. But don't forget this pattern, very very important before you take your entry. Now let's move on. Now there we actually have a break. As you can see here, we have a break. As you can see, we have a break. If you study this pattern very well, look at this place very well, because the price has actually developed from here. I told you it's a book. I'll be showing you pictures of what is happening in the market. So now this is the first fractals here. Second fractals, you see we have a bearish close, but we already have a bullish candle close above. I told you when we have a bullish candle close, we buy. Now the market is trying to cajole. If you are not professional enough and you are not patient enough, you may not get this analysis. So now the market break above. I told you once the market break above, what comes to your mind is to what buy. Then when you buy, when you don't enter, you wait for the pattern. Now we have two factors below that form W. As you can see, you see the two factors after the break. Then the white candle closes above, then you can take your entry to the buy, and the market move to the upside. And that is how the market has developed so far. And what else? Yeah, again we have a break to the upside. We have the W pattern from, you see we have two fractals formed, and the market moved up. Very crazy. It's actually very crazy. It moved very fast. As you can see, it pumped to the upside. So I want you guys to study it. Look at it very well. This is Euro USD. Look at it very well. Look at it. Look at how the market has formed. Look at the pattern and what has actually happened. And from there, you see the Euro USD kept going, pumping and pumping and pumping and pumping. And my brothers and sisters, brethren, so powerful. The drippy and the poppy was so crazy. So that is just it about the strategy. Now again we have another one. I told you something that when we have a break, as you can see, we have a long break to the downside, long break to the upside. Don't be eager to enter. What you just need to do, just make sure that you calm down and wait for the pattern. The pattern is actually forming to the downside. As you can see, the first factor is formed, and we have a retest to the upside, and the candle closes below, giving us a pin bar. And what do we do? Boom! And it was powerful. A very powerful one to the downside. Very crazy. So that is how it is, guys. You can see here too, market has been ranging. After a boom, came back to that point again, and it formed the M pattern. And guys, it's pumping, so crazy and very very crazy. So what's this? Where is this APY? You don't talk about this. This as you can see on USDJPY, we have the two factors above, and the candle closes below. Sorry guys, and the candle closes below, and you can see it's moving very crazy. Now there is something very important here I need to talk about. You see, when we have two factors, the white candle closes above, then we take the buy, boom, and it was very 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 powerful. You can see, as you can see here, very powerful, moving so fast. You see, very crazy guys, very crazy guys. So now there, I think what actually happened there, yeah, this is not part of it. So now almost, and we won part of the analysis here too. You can see something here. This is 4 hours planning to go upside, and we come here, we see a pin bar. Now when you see a pin bar, actually we have a pin bar, we have a long bearish candle, bullish candle, bearish candle, and a white candle close above, meaning to boom to the buy. And that is just it. If you have any questions, try and comment below. Well, yeah, I want to say something, so that I think many people look at it like it's not forming W. It's actually formed W, because we have the green, white, green, and the white. Just that we have a very long white. Yeah, you get it now. So So that is what actually happened. Then from the long white we entered, the stop is going to be very much a little bit like 20 from 30 40 pips. Yeah, 30 40 pips, so something like that. So now that just is very simple. Go through the book, and the same thing happened. Yeah, we have the first factors, another one. Just go on and study everything from the yearbook. Now I'm going to show you something from here. We have a break to the upside, expecting a bull, right? Now what happened next? We have the break to the downside. Look at it here. We have the break to the upside, expecting a bull. We have a break. Now we have a break to the downside. Then the pattern formed. Look at it, the pattern then from you can see, yeah, first factor, second factor, and the candle close, and it's so powerful, so powerful, so powerful, so powerful. So if you want to contact me, you can just join the Telegram group. I'm going to add to it. Join the Telegram group, enter the group, add more people, subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, and you can reach me through the Telegram. You can always DM me, send me message, and I'm early. My mentorship is free. Yeah, basically it's free, but nothing goes for free in the world, man. So, guys, see you later. Share this channel, like, subscribe, add more people. I can tell you this is the simplest and the easiest strategy you can think of. Wherever you are, I'm telling you. You don't need the SRC, SMC, mitigation, liquidity, and all of it. So just a bounce from the resistance and the support. So I'll see you next time on my video. I love you guys.